The Lighthouse Hydro Grow Tent, 48 inch by 24 inch by 48 inch assembly instructions. Step 1. Unpack and check the contents of the box. Your box should contain one 48 inch by 24 inch by 48 inch Mylar fabric shell, one 48 inch by 24 inch by 6 inch Mylar spill floor, two 67 inch hanging straps, two 23 3/4 inch heavy duty light hangers, one 23 1/4 heavy duty crossbar, 8 44 7/8 inch width and height poles, 4 21 1/4 inch depth poles, 9 corner joints, 8 needed and 1 extra. Step 2. Assemble the bottom rectangle frame. Take two 44 7/8 inch width poles and two 21 1/4 inch depth poles and 4 corner joints and join them together to create a rectangle frame. Make sure that all the corner joints are firmly in place. Use a rubber mallet if necessary. Step 3. Repeat step 2 to create the top rectangle frame. Step 4. Place the 4 44 7/8 inch height poles into the corner joints of the bottom frame. Step 5. Attach the top frame to the vertical height poles. Step 6. Attach the heavy-duty crossbar to the top frame. Step 7. Attach the 2 heavy-duty light hangers to the top frame. Step 8. Place the assembled frame into the bottom of the Mylar fabric shell. Step 9. Wrap the tent frame with the Mylar fabric shell and zipper it together. At this point, if you'd like, you can place the Mylar spill floor into the bottom of the tent.